Just a quick overview of AutomateMyTask. You can learn more about it at the link above my head. All right, now we're going to cover in this video the window title matching and class, this whole section here. So right now I'm going to hit F1. I'm going to highlight, let's say this X, move away. It's looking for this. Notice here, though, window title is asterisk. I'm going to say display matches. Look, it found it. But that asterisk is in the title name because this is an unsaved file. But if I save this, now it's no longer going to match. This title here isn't going to match. So if I say display matches, it's not going to find it because it's looking for that window title. So what I might want to do is delete this here, leave that since I know that's in there, and say I'm going to do a partial match. Now, if I display matches, so I think it's still actually looking for that. Let me do an F3 just to break it out of it. I gotta make that where it stops looking. Display matches. Now it found it. But notice here that so we can search off of that, or I could have said, hey, this site for AutoHotkey, I think I have a hot string for. Let's see if that will display matches. It still works. Now that for AutoHotkey, for a site for AutoHotkey, would always be in the title, right? So I might do, if I did a full match, it wouldn't match it because, well, actually, it would because I'm only looking for this. But if I had the full path, it wouldn't. If it was a different path, it wouldn't match that. So you can do that. I also get to choose the class. Now this class, we don't have an inspector here. It tells you, but this where this X was, that was the site window class. So if this isn't here, it still filters where it's looking just to that class. So there's probably not any other site windows on your screens, right? So it's going to filter. That's why it's so fast, as it's filtering just on where this class is located and the window title. So these are great ways to filter to greatly reduce down the area you're searching, which will increase the likelihood that it will match both quickly and do a good match. The one thing I would again say is, in this one, I would stick with partial matching in your title unless you're really sure of what you got and the file name's not going to change or the window title's not going to change, right? So super simple way to do that. Also, if you want to have it search forever, you can change this to 0, and that will be an indefinite search. If I turn this back on, you'll see here, this is how long it will wait for that window to show up. Sorry, I was thinking of this one, that'll wait indefinitely. This is how long it'll wait for that window to show up and how many seconds. So I'd leave that to like 2. And then if you need to recapture, you can hit F4, and that'll recapture it, just the active window. Let's try this again. Turn these things off. There we go. And F4.